Hello friends, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Welcome to my YouTube channel English for English. Today I have come with a new session, commonly used idioms in our routine conversation. Idioms basically are a group of words whose meaning considered as a unit is different from the meanings of each word considered separately. It is basically used to describe an exact situation in a more creative manner. It broadens people's understanding of the language. एक ईडियम एक यूनिट की तरह है जिसका मतलब हम उसके एक एक वर्ड से नहीं ले सकते बल्कि एक कलेक्टिव यूनिट की तरह ईडियम अपना मतलब लोगों की क्रिएटिव अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बढ़ाने के लिए यूज होता है और एक लैंग्वेज को अच्छी तरह से समझने के लिए भी ईडियम का यूज किया जाता है. So let's begin with the very first idiom of the day, and the first idiom is hit the hay. Here, hitting the hay does not mean hitting with the grass. It really means being tired and wants to sleep. An example is, sorry gentlemen, I have to hit the hay now. So hit the hay का मतलब थकना और उसके बाद नींद आना, थक के नींद आना होता है. So the next word is stabbed in the back. Stabbing in the back does not mean with knife you are stabbing somebody. चाकू से किसी को मारना stabbing नहीं है यहाँ पे, stabbing in the back. It means betrayed by someone whom you have trusted. किसी से धोखा खाना जिसको आपने बहुत ज्यादा ट्रस्ट किया है. Let's check the example. I don't want to be your business partner. You have stabbed me in the back. That means you have betrayed me, you have deceived me, you were disloyal to me. Another idiom is kill two birds with one stone. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि एक पत्थर से दो birds को मार देना. इसका मतलब है to accomplish or to complete two different things at the same time. दो अलग चीजों को एक ही टाइम पे खत्म करना is to kill two birds with one stone. Example is, why not go to the railway station on your way to office and kill two birds with one stone? Next idiom is costs an arm and a leg. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अपनी एक आर्म अपनी लेग जो है किसी चीज को लेने के लिए आप यूज कर लें, खर्च कर लें. It means to be very expensive. Example is, sir, I really want this house, but it costs an arm and a leg, and I don't think I should buy it for now. It means I cannot afford it because it is too expensive. Another your idiom is rule of thumb. Rule of thumb means rules based on common experience and common sense. जो rules हमने अपने experience से अपने common sense से बना लिए होते हैं उसको rule of thumb कहते हैं. Example is, as a rule of thumb, one should pay for the subordinate's lunch too. So if one is junior and one is having lunch or dinner with you, so it is a rule of the thumb, it is based on common experiences and common sense that you have to pay back. So another one is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means rarely, hardly, infrequently, seldom, बहुत कम. Example है, Susie goes to the movie theaters once in a blue moon. That she goes to watch movies very rarely. Seldom she used to watch the movies in the theaters. Next one is up in the air. Up in the air does not mean that you're flying in the air. It means a situation planned being still undecided and uncertain. आपने कोई चीज प्लान की है बट वो अभी तक भी अनसर्टन है, अनडिसाइडेड है, उसके ऊपर आपने अच्छी तरह से कोई भी डिसीजन अभी तक नहीं लिया है. एग्जाम्पल इज, हैव यू प्लान समथिंग अबाउट द असाइनमेंट और स्टिल द प्लान्स आर अप इन द एयर. नेक्स्ट इज ब्लो ऑफ स्टीम. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपके कानों से धुआं आ रहा है. इट मीन्स दैट व्हाइल बीइंग अपसेट और एंग्री, अ टाइम ब्रेक टू रिलीव दोज इमोशंस एंड टू गेट रिड ऑफ द स्ट्रेस. आपको एक टाइम चाहिए जिसमें आप अपने स्ट्रेस को, अपनी जो एक एंजाइटी है, अपना जो एक एंगर है, उससे आप you will be get rid of. आप उससे बाहर निकल जाएं, स्ट्रेस से बाहर निकल जाएं. The example is, sorry gentlemen, I'm feeling agitated now. I'm really going to blow off some steam. Next is piece of cake. It means very simple and easy. It does not mean somebody is giving you something to eat. So it means very simple and easy. कोई चीज जो बहुत आसान हो. Example is that test was really a piece of cake. That means that test was very simple and have done it in a very easy and simple way. And the last one is break a leg. And break a leg does not mean that with stick or something you're breaking somebody's leg, but it means wishing somebody good luck. So example is, Robin, you have a competitive exam today. break a leg, that I'm wishing you good luck. You will get through with the competitive exam. So I hope friends you like this attempt, and if you find this video worthy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.